Action Man's Chess. How to play. The rules are the same as regular chess except for these changes. For a refresher of those rules, check out this video. The object of the game is to capture all your opponent's pieces, or both players can agree to stop playing at any time and the player with the most points wins. Lay out a 5x6 board with the darker squares on the bottom. On each player's second row, they set up spearmen. On their first row, from left to right, set up rook, bishop, queen, rook, bishop. Spearmen move one space forward or backwards, but can only capture one space forward. Spearmen are not pawns and therefore are not allowed the double-step move option, en passant, or promotion. You are not allowed to castle. Each time you capture an opponent's piece, you earn points. Spearmen are worth 1, bishops 3, rooks 5, and queens are worth 9. The first player to capture all their opponent's pieces wins.